This video guides you through pairing your smartphone via Bluetooth in a BMW 5 Series F10 sedan or F11 wagon, manufactured from 2010 to 2017. These models feature BMW's iDrive system for seamless smartphone integration. Pairing enables hands-free calling, audio streaming, and contact access through the car's iDrive interface. Once paired, enjoy convenient features like hands-free calling and audio streaming. Most smartphones with Bluetooth 2.1 or higher are compatible with the BMW F10, F11 system. This includes iOS devices running version 7 or later and Android devices with version 4.4 or higher. The system supports key Bluetooth profiles, including HSP for hands-free calling, A2DP for audio streaming, and PBAP for phone book access. Finally, ensure your car is parked with the ignition turned on before attempting to pair. To pair your smartphone with the BMW F10 to F11, follow these steps carefully. First, access iDrive using the center console controller. This is the round dial with arrow buttons in the center console. Next, navigate to Communication, then Mobile Devices, and select New Device or Bluetooth Devices. Now, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone in the Settings menu. Select your BMW from the list of available Bluetooth devices on your phone. Finally, enter the PIN displayed on the iDrive screen, usually 1234, and confirm the pairing on both devices. Once paired, you can make calls using voice commands like Hey BMW, stream audio through the car speakers, and view phone notifications on the iDrive screen. Contact syncing may be prompted after pairing. If pairing fails, interference from other devices or outdated iDrive firmware may be the cause. Try resetting Bluetooth via iDrive's Delete All Devices option. For newer Android phones, Android 14 Plus, wired connections or Bluetooth 5.0 adapters might be needed. Due to the age of BMW F10 and F11 models, they do not support native wireless CarPlay or Android Auto. These older vehicles rely on basic Bluetooth pairing for hands-free functions. For a more integrated smartphone experience, consider third-party retrofit kits from companies like Bimertech or Pivo. These kits typically cost around $500 and can be installed professionally or as a DIY project. Retrofit kits enable full iPhone mirroring and Android Auto integration, bypassing basic Bluetooth limitations. You'll get features like navigation, music controls, and messaging directly on the car's display. The installation involves connecting electronic components and cables to the car's infotainment system, as shown here with wiring harnesses and control units. Adapters like this wireless CarPlay unit plug into the USB port and provide a sleek, modern interface in the car's dashboard. The result is a mirrored phone screen on the car's display, showing apps, maps, and controls seamlessly integrated with the vehicle's system. Looking ahead, basic Bluetooth pairing in F10, F11 models will continue to work reliably for essential functions like hands-free calling and audio streaming. The core Bluetooth hands-free profile remains stable for these fundamental features. However, many owners are upgrading to aftermarket systems like CarPlay or Android Auto retrofits to access modern features such as wireless mirroring, navigation integration, and app-based controls that native Bluetooth cannot provide. As smartphone technology advances with Bluetooth 5.0 and beyond, older car systems may experience compatibility issues or reduced performance. Firmware updates can help, but retrofitting modern infotainment solutions offers the most future-proof approach for seamless connectivity.